You have so many struggle. You have so many struggle. I have seen that so many struggles are being done before they get one of the get one bamboo. Bamboo di putong panhang 25 cm. Anong gagawin mo dyan? That's right, mom. Thorn. Plenty of thorns. I thought you have no thorns there. You have no thorns there. As if there's no thorn in your bamboo because you get easily the bamboo. Here in the Philippines, before they get the bamboo, they have to struggle more. Yes, for your farm. Nice crop, nice farm you have. You have a nice farm. Tamasaki. Oh, Takim. Takim. Mag-out na ako sis. Midnight na dyan sa Bermuda Triangle. Okay, okay. Thank you for coming, Josephine. Thank you so much. Maya-maya ano din ako. Hindi yan ng live. 1 hour lang ako kasi magluluto pa ako ng aming pananghalian. Thank you po. Takim Musantara. Dan watching your puntahan ko yan mamaya, Josephine, baka Barsibal ang si Takim na puntahan ka na rin to. Okay. Si Koreana tapos na rin. Josephine na lang mamaya ang pupuntahan ko. Kuya Nobels, si Kuya Nobels. Kuya Nobels, nandyan ka pa ba? Mayroon ng durian dyan, oh. May durian dito sa Antique. Hindi na ako pwede pumunta dyan sa I am currently producing organic rice. Wow, very nice. Very nice, Takim Nusantara. Producing organic rice. Very, very good. That is very good, Takim. Parang hindi ko maiwan itong mani, itong pine nut na to. Kasi napakasarap. All my plants are organic. Wow. Good. Good for you. Are you exporting Takim, are you exporting your products? Hulog. That is good. Organic are good. Okay. Good for the local people. Having